Hi, let's understand a very important concept. Now we know that there are two ways of writing a set. First was roster form, that is listing method, which we have already discussed. Now let's understand second way of writing a set, that is called as a set builder form, also called as a role method. So let's understand how exactly we are going to write a set in set builder form or rule method. Let's take an example. So example is set of natural number less than 5. So first of all we need to identify which are the natural numbers less than 5. We know that natural number always starts from 1, but we want those natural numbers which are less than 5, and when we say less than 5 that means we need to stop at 4. Therefore set of natural number less than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write in roster form a is equals to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have done, a statement is given to us and we have written that statement in roster form. Now this roster form will convert into set builder form. That means we are going to convert into rule method. That means we have to make a rule. Let's see how exactly we are going to do it. Now in order to write this set from roster form into set builder form, we'll have to assign each element a variable. Now remember one thing, when we assign a variable to each element it should be same variable. So for time being let's assign a variable x. So we'll assign this number 1 a variable x, we'll assign 2 a variable again x, we'll assign 3 a variable that is again x, and we assign 4 a variable x. So very first thing, whenever we write any set in set builder form, we'll have to assign each element of that set using same variable. Now let's understand how exactly we are going to form a rule. So we start, we'll name set as it is, that is a is equal to curly bracket. Now we know that all these elements are assigned a variable x. So we'll write x together, that is called as all x, right? So this x is called as all x. So how do we read it? A equal is, that is a is. Curly bracket means set of and x means all x. Now let's understand what is the rule. Now we know that 1, 2, 3, 4 are assigned a variable x, and 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to a natural number. If 1, 2, 3, 4 belongs to a natural number, x also belongs to a natural number. So we put a small vertical line and we write x is the element of natural number, and we can denote that natural number by n. So whatever rule we have to make that rule after this small vertical line, right? So this is x because we have assigned each of the number as x. So in every sum we'll write x only, then we'll put a vertical line and then we'll assign a rule that x is the element of natural number. But do we want all the natural numbers? No, we want those natural numbers which are less than 5. So we put a condition over here after that comma that x should be less than 5, and that completes your set builder form. That means we have made a rule. So it is very important to know that whatever rule we make, it should be after this small vertical line. Now child, let's understand how exactly we read this. Let's go step by step. Equal means is, this curly bracket means set of, x is nothing but all x. This line means such that, and here this comma means and. So how do we read it? A is, equal means is, set of all x such that x is the element of natural number and x is less than 5. Now remember child one thing, if you observe this word is an element of, is an element of, instead of writing in words we can put a symbol which looks similar to that of e. So instead of writing is an element of, we can put this symbol which looks like e. So if we replace that word by e, it will become a is equal to curly bracket x, small vertical line, x, that sign which looks like e, then we have n comma x is less than 5. So remember one thing, e means is an element of. So if E means is an element of, and if we put a cross on that E, it means it is not an element of, right? So we need to remember these two symbols. So this is how we are going to represent a set in set builder form. Let's take one more example. Suppose we take example B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 that is given in roster form. We'll have to convert into set builder form. That means we are going to make a rule. So first of all, let's name the set, that is B is equal to that curly bracket. We'll assign a variable to each of these element, and that variable which we are going to assign is X. Then we'll put a small vertical line. Now let's write the rule. First of all, let's observe 2, 4, 6, 8 are what? We can say that they are even numbers. We can also say that they are multiples of 2. So we can make any rule, it is our choice. So we write X is an element of even natural numbers, but do we want all the even natural numbers? No. Last number is 8, which we can write it is less than 9. So we write and X less than 9. So this is how a statement will be given to us, and we have to represent that statement into set builder form. So after that small vertical line, we'll make a rule, and that completes your set builder form, also called as a rule method.